Hi everyone, I am back again with another lesson. Hope you all have enjoyed the last video based on notes. We all have learned about the white keys in the previous video, and today we will learn about the black keys. These black keys are known as accidental notes. Sometimes they are called sharp notes and denoted by the symbol, and sometimes they are called flat notes denoted by the symbol. Sharp means move to the right side of a key and flat means move to the left side of a key. Now let's recall the white keys. As it was mentioned in the previous video, the white key just before the two black keys is called C note. So the immediate black key to the right of the C will be called C sharp. Okay? The next immediate black key after D will be called D sharp. Now let's move to E. Can you see any black key just after E? No, right? So here we have to remember that there is no E sharp. The next note is F. And here again we can see a black key just to the right of F. So the black key is F sharp. Then comes G, and after that G sharp, then A sharp, and after that B. Again, here also no black key is present just after B. That means there is no B sharp. So what is the next note after B? Yes, it is C. And the immediate black key towards right of C note is C sharp. Now we all are familiar with all the black keys, namely C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp and A sharp. Okay, now let's have a quick recap of all the white keys and black keys. This is C, next is C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B and C. As it was mentioned earlier that black keys can be called as sharp also and flat also. So let me tell you when to call the black keys as flat. The C sharp can also be called as D flat as it is on the left side of D. D sharp can be called as E flat as it is on the left side of E. In the same way, we can call F sharp as G flat, G sharp as A flat and A sharp as B flat. Always remember the E and B have no sharp and C and F have no flat. Thank you all. Keep learning, keep practicing.